Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by laying out exactly what you track and why. Collect client names, target metrics, and session cadence. Once done, create a clean sheet with headers so data entry is consistent and fast. Make sure to set up a template tab for each program to avoid rebuilding structure. This saves time and reduces errors. While you work, share the file with collaborators using view or comment access, and give editing rights only when necessary to protect data integrity. You now turn the sheet into an active tool. Add drop-downs for program types and status so entries remain uniform, and use data validation to prevent mistakes. Then implement formulas like SUMIFs and AverAdJAFs for aggregated metrics, and VLOOKUP or index/match to pull client-specific details into dashboards. Once formulas are in, set conditional formatting for progress thresholds and overdue sessions so issues pop visually. As you build, test a few sample rows to confirm calculations update across tabs and charts. You finish by packaging insights into a dashboard. Add charts, KPI cards, and a snapshot for each client so decision-making is immediate. Make sure to protect critical ranges and set version checkpoints. Schedule weekly exports or backups to avoid data loss. When sharing, explain which cells are editable and where to log session notes. If something goes wrong, first check for overwritten formulas, locked ranges, or recent edits. Reverting to a prior version usually restores functionality and teaches you which step failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.